Hi everyone, welcome back. In the first part, I'll talk about what are the things that we should keep in mind while buying the sunscreen. Second part, I'm going to talk about the dot and key sunscreen which I'm going to review today. And in the third part, I'm going to talk about what are the pros and cons of this important reason why we should use sunscreen apart from the tanning and discoloration is that it prevents us from any kind of skin cancer. Number two, it also helps to prevent premature aging. So now let's talk about what are the things you should consider before buying a sunscreen. Point number one is that you should have a minimum SPF of 30. Lot of sunscreen are there that only has UVB, but my dear friends, you need both UVA and UVB in your favorite sunscreen. Say that you can apply your sunscreen after every 2 hours to protect your skin from any sun damage. That means you can also have a sunscreen which is not water resistant, but I will highly recommend you to buy a sunscreen which has water resistance in it, because in that way you can also delay the process of reapplying your sunscreen. A quick gyan in between my sunscreen video is that the difference between UVA and UVB, which we often get confused about. UVB are rays that cause sunburn and UVA are rays that causes premature aging and other damages. So dot and key, so they initially thought, that's what's written in their website, is that most product in Indian market are generic and it does not addresses specific problem of Indian skins, but it addresses problem of all the people across the world. So dot and key wanted to do something for Indian skin, for Indian people. That's what they say. The product that I'm going to talk about today. So as you know, this is a brand that is really talked about in nowadays, and the packaging is super cute. It's not just a cute product, but it also has some of the key factors or that X factor that pushed me to buy this product. Show you the packaging of the product. It comes in this really nice yellow bottle with a nice curved top. I am sorry about the lighting over here. That's all I can afford right now. So this is a spray. This is small, handy, and you can easily carry it anywhere you are going. I'm going to do a little swatch, or like I'm going to spray it in my hand and show you, because I have makeup. I cannot spray it on my face right now. So yeah, can you see? This is I will say it has a little bit oily kind of a texture in it. But it is really lightweight. I will highly recommend it for all the people, but not for a very oily skin, because for them it might be little bit greasy. So how do you apply it? You can apply it in your entire body, in your neck area, and also in your face. So when you apply it in your face, make sure you take little bit amount, like only one pump of the spray in your hand, rub it and just pat it in your face. Apply it after every 2 hours and you're good to go. Product retails at $7.95, but right now they have some introductory offers going on where they are giving you 10 to 20% discount in the various websites, also in their own Dot and Key website. Do I suggest all of you this sunscreen when there are so many other brands as well? It is because it is one of the first brand, not the only, one of the first brand to introduce a transparent sunscreen spray. We have seen lot of moisturizer, cream, but this is kind of a spray formula. Now I'm going to talk about the third part of the video, that is the pros and the cons of this.
This cream is super wetless, it is light, it has SPF 50, PA+++, it blocks out IR and blue rays. It has refreshing tropical mandarin and green tea in it. does not leave any kind of white residue on your face as it is a transparent spray. It is water resistant, so you can easily go out and it will last in your face even if you sweat a lot. It also gives you a nice glow, a shiny effect which makes your skin look very hydrated and soothing. I will recommend it for all the dry skin people out there. It is highly suitable for them.
Now let's come to the cons. So the cons are very few, but it is very important to note it. It's difficult to control because when you pump, a lot of product comes in or you might not like it. The next part is that it can be greasy for some skin. It is kind of oily texture that I have already mentioned. So a lot of you who like very matte cream will not like it. Today, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an. Let me know what are the sunscreen you like it and whether you like this product if you at all consider it buying in the comment section down below. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.